All right, we're gonna get to the bottom of this today. Are these things really that bad?
Let's do it.
All right, today we finally have a set of Beats in the house for review. These are the Beats Studio Wireless 3. So I'm always hearing people dogging out Beats headphones. I've even dogged out Beats myself simply because of the price tag and the branding. I've only heard one set of Beats in my lifetime. That was a pair of the original Beats Solos, and they were terrible, especially for the price that was paid for them. So today I'm finally gonna go ahead and put a pair of Beats on my head. I figured if you're gonna go Beat, you gotta go with the big dog. So I got the Beats Studio Wireless 3. That is the latest edition out right now as far as I know. There could be something else out, but so far I am enjoying this unboxing experience. Change the way you hear sound. Let's see, Beats, if you can change the way I hear sound. Nice case. I've always adored that about Beats headphones. They give you a nice presentation and a nice case. So let's put that to the side. Let's see, is there anything else? Okay, there's another tab here. This gold packaging is what's up. All right, so we have a 3.5 to 3.5 millimeter auxiliary cable. It's kind of thick. Now, you know I like them thick. All right, so okay, so you got your telephone controls on here too. So you got like a mic button and stuff like that. So that's nice to have on there. It actually has a little phone right there. So you have your plus and minus volume too. So that's pretty cool. And then we have, oh snap, we got like, man, okay, so they got some reading material here. We'll put that off to the side. Got a carabiner for your, okay, there it goes. You got a carabiner for your, oh, it is labeled Beats. Man, they love their logo. So they got the Beats right there on the carabiner. And then what is this? This is a micro USB charging cable. That is kind of nice, and it's got Beats branded on there too. That, you know what, besides the sound, that's probably my next biggest complaint about Beats stuff. It's just like Beats, Beats, Beats. They just throw it all in your face, and for everybody else's face, it's like advertising is just a little overdone. All right, so let's pick these things up. The case is super nice. It almost seems like it's watertight because it has a covered up seam right here where the zipper goes. I wonder if it is watertight, or at least somewhat watertight. So now we have the star of the show. Folded up nice and compact. Let's put this case to the side. We ain't worried about that no more. This is, I think this is like a gray color, but it's got this fleshy color on the inside of there. It looks like flesh. It's not an attractive color to me at all. I thought when I ordered these, it was gonna be something, I don't know what I was thinking. I just like the gray color on the outside. I probably didn't even see the color on the inside. These, I'm not a fan of this color right here. So they do not swivel in and out. That's something that I really do appreciate on my Sonys, how they swivel in and out. And that's what I'm gonna be comparing these to. At a $350 price tag, I'm gonna be comparing these to my Sony W1 or WH-1000 XM3s because it's the same price and they do offer noise canceling. So you got some Beats branding on the top. That would have been enough, but you also have it on the side. You got wireless there, Studio 3 there. Like, okay, yeah, it's wireless, awesome. And then you got your big old B right there. So that B really bothers me. It just does. I don't know why, but it just does. But the design of the headphones, I actually really do like it. Nice, sleek design. Okay, so I don't know how they look on my head. Let me see. Yeah, these look pretty fly on the head, but I'm really not digging this flesh color right here. These are gonna have to go back regardless. Like, even if I do like them, I'm gonna have to exchange them for a different color. I don't like that. So, yeah, I don't, that flesh color is killing me, dude. Okay, but they are pretty comfortable. Let me put them back on again. These, they have the, you know what these remind me of? These remind me of the ear cups from the Faith 2, the Faith 2 ear cups. The same type of ear cups, same feel and everything. Nice and plush. I dig it. The ear cups are nice. The holes are big enough for my ears to fit comfortably in. Yeah, it's just got a nice feel. And they're lightweight, so they don't feel, too heavy on your head. And the clamping force is snug. It's not tight, but it is on the snug side. And so these will not be coming off your head if you are working out. I would recommend these for working out with the exception of the non-breathable ear cups because this is straight vinyl all the way in and out. There's no cloth in there for your ears to breathe. All right, so they do fold up. We already saw that. We got some, ooh, yeah, nice brushed metal right there. And it's got that gold look to it. For the price of these things, that should be gold plated, but like 14 karat or 24 karat gold plated, but it's probably not. It's probably some anodized stuff. But they do fold in for easy transport, as you saw, and the ear cups do swivel just enough for them to sit comfortably on your ears. Okay, so it's time to turn these things on. So what we have here, we got to remove it. It says controls for wireless mode. You got your up and down volume, you got your answering in calls, and then you got your play and pause button right there. Let's just go ahead and take that off of there, put it over there to the side, and there's that magical B, and that is an actual button. On the other side, okay, so it says charge me up right there, and then, okay, we'll just take that off. All right, so let's power these bad boys up and see how they sound. Okay, I hear them, they're on. I felt the noise canceling kick in. Okay, you double press this power button to turn off the noise canceling, and these things actually do passively cancel out a decent amount of noise. But let me turn it back on because we got to do a test with the bass with the noise canceling on versus the noise canceling off, because noise canceling actually does affect the sound, especially at loud volumes and a lot of bass. So let's double press this. I will tell you, this is not the easiest button to double press. Maybe I just don't have the ergonomics right. Okay, now I feel a little bit of cabin pressure. Not too bad. This is definitely tolerable for someone who is sensitive to cabin pressure. So yeah, noise canceling is good. Definitely not as strong as the Sony XM3s, not even close. This is more on the level of the Skullcandy Venue and the Edifier W860NB noise canceling. So it's not the strongest in the world, but it is effective in a pinch. Like when you're on a plane, it will muffle down that engine roar. It's not even gonna be coming close to canceling out voices of babies and stuff like that. Just, you know, just ambient noise in the background that might annoy you and interrupt your music at low volumes. So let's go ahead and play a song real quick. This is Boss Hog Outlaw. Okay. The highs are actually pretty good, man. Hold on. The bait hadn't dropped yet. I'm just going.
I'm up before the sunrise, pulling out my supplies. I got hustle in my eyes, can't let the cash die.
Okay. All right, beats. Whoa, man, hold on. All right, beats. So I did not hear any bass flutter. I got the noise canceling on and it sounds so good. I did not hear any bass flutter with the volume at full blast. I usually hear that with the ANC on. These sound great with the ANC on. Hold on, let me do a little bass test real quick. I'm gonna tell you right now, overall sound is fantastic. Wow, I was actually really impressed with the quality that just came out of there. All right, let me play this Lil Boosie No Juice, see if I hear some bass flutter.
Boosie bad.
God! All right, let me repeat that with the bass, with the ANC off. Okay, it's off. Let me just rewind that. God dang. No juice. No juice. Okay. Wow. All right, beats. All right, beats. Whoa. Okay, let me go into some different music genres, because hip hop is killing it in the Beats headphones. You know what? Even though I know these headphones were designed for more hip hop usage and maybe R&B usage, I'm still surprised at the overwhelming quality of the sound of these things. How do I get back? Yeah, I'm overwhelmed by the quality of these things, even though that's what these were made for, so they should sound good. If y'all know if y'all can understand what I'm talking about right there. But let me go into something else. Wow, dang, my ears. Okay, so I have the noise canceling off. Let me just turn it back on so I can get that full test. Wow, that was awesome. Okay, let me go into a little bit of country or something. Beat of the Music, Brett Eldredge. That's a good song right there.
You got a soul and you know how to use it. Put your hand on my hip, cause you know that I lose it.
Falling in love to the beat of the music. Woo! Okay. God dog. Okay, these things, you know what, man? I'm not gonna hate on Beats no more. Okay, wow. Okay, So let's just talk about what I heard in there. Initially, obviously you could tell I was impressed by the sound quality of these things, the overall sound quality, the balance between the bass, the mids, and the highs. They get very loud. I mean, very loud. Very loud these things will get. Now the bass is great. It's not muddy at all. It's not like overwhelming bass. It's a good balance. Like they understand that there's a such thing as mids and highs in music. So the bass is in there. It's just laid down perfectly underneath the rest of the track. As far as the mids, now when I played hip hop and R&B, the mids were perfect. To me, they were perfect. Now when I played the country, I don't know. It sounded great, but it seemed like there was just a little bit of mids missing. So I don't know, it just depends on the song or whatever. Now mind you, I use a flat EQ on my phone and I didn't EQ at all or nothing like that. So there's nothing special going on here. This is just right out of the box. On some country songs, it did, I don't know, just the mids need a little bit of a tweak, a little bit, but it wasn't anything that would make me, you know, not want these headphones at all. The highs are great all the way through. Like, I don't know, I had them up loud, so my ears are kind of feeling the effects of the highs that came out of these things. Even when you bring the volume levels down, it still sounds great. Nothing changes in the EQ. And these things actually sound very, very close to the same with the ANC on versus off. I really couldn't tell much of a difference at all, which is great. Because in headphones, a lot of times the sound signature changes with ANC on or off. This being a premium headphone, because of that price tag, I think they did one hell of a job balancing everything between ANC, between the mids and highs and bass, and overall sound, volume, everything. It's just nice. This is a good set of headphones, man. I don't know about the rest of the Beats because I haven't heard them, right? Except for those old school solos, but these right here, hey man, I hate to say it because, you know, I had to put my foot in my mouth, but these are $350 headphones. If you can buy the Sonys at $350 and the Bose at $350, the noise canceling is good. It's really good. I would say it's just a step above the Edifier W860 and the Skull Candy. I think it is just a little bit better and implemented a little bit better in these headphones. Not at the level of the Sonys, but the sound quality is incredible, man. So if you like Beats, see, that's the thing about Beats. I like the design of Beats, I just don't like their branding. So maybe I could find like a matte black version of this. I think they do have a matte black. So if I can get this matted out and the branding wasn't so prominent, like I would actually like these headphones because I love the design of them. I just don't like all the branding everywhere. I'm just not into that. Everything else about these headphones is awesome. I really wanted to hate these things, but I can't. My soul will not let me hate these headphones because they sound freaking awesome. Yeah, Beats headphones don't suck. So there you have it. I ain't no expert in this kind of stuff, and you know sound is subjective. So what I like, you might think is trash, and what I think is trash, you might like. Either way, if you had a good time checking out this video, make sure you throw those emoji hands up in the comment section, and I'll see y'all at the next one. All right, apparently you had a good time watching this video. Well, today is your lucky day because I done already made a whole bunch of them for you to go back and binge watch. But if you just want to check out the new stuff, you make sure you smash on that subscribe button and tap that little bell. That way you'll know when it's time to come back and open up some new stuff.